Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or disable the insights features on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. Alright, so without further ado, let's go ahead. So basically, this just is an integrations with artificial intelligence to help to improve typing and dictations on your computer. But if you'd rather turn these features on or off, depending on whatever your preferences is, and I'm going to show you guys how to do in the simplest method. So dito lang sa searching bar ng ating computer, ay kailangan mo lang search yung settings and then open lang natin. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang select yung time and language. Select mo lang ito. And then dito sa time and language, kailangan mo lang select yung typing. So dito sa typing, scroll down and then select mo lang to typing insights. Click mo lang ito. And then ito na siya. Alright, so Windows is using artificial intelligence to help you type and save time and type efficiently. So Windows can learn to suggest words, autocorrect spelling mistakes, and interpret swipe typing. Take a look at the insights below to see up-to-the-minute stats on how Windows has learned to improve typing for you. These stats are stored only on this device and Microsoft does not collect typing inside data. Okay, so kung paano ba ito enable or disable, so itanggal mo lang itong button niya, so click mo lang yan, and then click mo lang ganyan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple kung paano natin enable or disable ang insights features in Windows 11 or Windows 10. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.